Hi, good morning. Thanks for joining me again in It's Dwight Cooking Show. This morning I'm going to make brown stew chicken, but not a lot, just probably 4 pieces. Now this chicken have been seasoned for more than about 2 weeks, because normally what I do is whenever I'm back from the meat shop, I tend to do all my meats, season them all at once. So I just took this out the freezer last night and put it at the bottom of the fridge, so I know that it is ready to be prepared. I have my pot, just a little bit of oil, not a lot, and I tend to take the skin off all my meats, especially the chicken, before I season it, because I don't really like the skin on it. Now for these seasoning, I'm going to fry this in the oil along with a little touch of seasoning, but this is my blended secret spices and herbs that I normally use to season. So I'm just here with it to show you. It's almost finished, so you see I do a lot of seasoning. So I hope you guys enjoy this video. Okay, there you go. A piece of thyme, scallion, and a little bit of the seasoning. Not much, because I had already seasoned the chicken. And as I said, guys, I don't use a lot of oil. Too much oil, you know what it does over time. So I'm gonna add the chicken. Now guys, I only cook for 2 persons, which is me and my wife, so not a lot of meat. So I'm just gonna let it brown, and I hope you enjoy this video. It's getting brown. Now I'm gonna continue to cook it until it's totally brown. It's getting there, peeps. It's getting there. The brown, and as I say, I de-skinned it, so it's supposed to be looking good in a few minutes. Remember to like, share, and subscribe. I'm just a beginner, so everything will get better in time in terms of video quality. But I thank you nevertheless for watching. There we go, guys. All browned, and add the water. Now I'm gonna just let it simmer for probably about 15 minutes. Check back on it and stuff. And sometimes I tend to add additional seasoning, like I'm going to add tomato, some scallion, and just let it simmer. So see you guys back in 15 minutes. Okay everyone, I had my seasoning, so this is the last the last of it before it finished cooking. So I added my extra water from the kettle and added my extra spices and stuff, so it should be finishing about 10 minutes time. Hope you guys enjoyed watching. I know it's not a long video as I used to, but like, share, and subscribe. I did my chunks of carrot and Irish potato. So I said it's gonna be simmered now for the final go, and then I'll check back with you when it's done. Okay, there you go, people. Stewed chicken. I hope you enjoy watching. Thank you again for your time.